Alright, let's talk DJI because this one's about to shake up the entire 360 cam world. DJI's first real answer to the GoPro Max and Insta360 X5 is officially heating up. And it's called the Osmo 360. Leaks have been building for weeks, but now we've got something better. Retail box photos. And they don't disappoint. Specs? Confirmed. Features? Wild, and pricing? Finally revealed. Now I'll skip the design talk. You've probably seen it already. But here's the real headline. DJI is going all in with a 1-inch sensor on this 360 camera. That's right, no tiny sensor tricks, just clean flagship-level imaging built into a compact spherical shooter. And that 120 megapixel photo mode? Totally real. Plus, it can shoot 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second. No upscaling, no gimmicks, just crisp, detailed, high-res footage that'll blow your mind. If you're into slow motion, they've got that covered too, with 4K at 120 FPS and a massive 170-degree field of view. And for ultra-detailed wide shots, there's a 5K at 60 FPS mode with 155 degrees of coverage. For creators who love color grading, 10-bit D-Log-M support is here, so cinematic edits are officially on the table. But here's something new. The battery extension bar. Just recently teased in a promo image, it's very much real. With it, you're looking at up to 180 minutes of runtime. Even without it, the Osmo 360 can deliver around 100 minutes of 8K recording, which is pretty impressive for something packing this much power. Now, let's talk bundles. You've got the standard combo, simple, effective, and the adventure combo, which throws in the battery case too, the extended battery, and of course the fan favorite 1.2-meter invisible selfie stick. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and action creators. As for pricing, the box shows $759 and $989, which might sound steep. But those appear to be Canadian dollars. Convert that, and we're talking around $505 to $515 US for the base combo, and under $650 for the adventure set. That's competitive. Oh, and here's the big timing update. DJI is reportedly launching the Osmo 360 on July 29th and dropping the Mic 3 wireless microphone at the same time. Dual launch, double hype. And hey, watch till the end to uncover the latest hidden features and juicy final details about the DJI Osmo 360. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So yeah, DJI isn't just stepping into the 360 arena, they're diving in head first, packing heat with a mic, a stick, a 120 megapixel shooter, and a 1-inch sensor ready to take on Insta360 and GoPro. Excited yet? Or were you already sold the second you heard 8K 360? Let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, a like or a thanks goes a long way. Catch you in the next one.